how to turn off Snapchat shutter sound. So if you want to turn off your Snapchat's shutter sound while you click a snap or while you take a snap, then first you have to open up your Snapchat application. And after opening your Snapchat, now if you go to the upper left corner which has your Bitmoji, and then if you go to settings which is on the upper right corner, and if you scroll down here, you won't find the option of the shutter sound, right? So unfortunately we don't have that option on Snapchat. So what you have to do is you can simply tap on your volume button, and then you can simply turn off your ring and notification volume. And after that you can tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after simply turning your volume downwards, or after turning the silent mode, your shutter sound will be off. So that's it. That's the only way to turn off. You have to turn off your notification sound, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.